Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, Jacqueline. Share the live with others. Share the live with others. Share the live with others so that Movanto, thank you so much for the love. Like the live and also subscribe if it's your first time. Subscribe if it's your first time. Thank you for those who are joining. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? Like the live. Like the live. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Let me know where you're watching me from. Comment, 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 comment. Hi Vicky, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Welcome, welcome. As we wait for others to join, let me know where you are watching me from. We have just started the live. We have just started the live. So as you join, like the live. As we wait for others to join. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Those who are joining, give the video a thumbs up. Watching from Kenya, thank you. Thank you. Welcome all. Welcome all, my dear. We are waiting for others to join. We have Calanzo. Hello, Claudia, baby. You know Jamaica loves you so much. Thank you so much. Also, Africa loves you so much. Also, Africa loves you so much. You know how we are related, right? You know how we are related. How is Jamaica? How is Jamaica? Thank you so much for those who are joining. Give the video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Tell them that we are live. Claudia Walks is live. Claudia Walks is live. Derek, love from Jamaica. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Derek. How are you? And how is Jamaica? How is Jamaica? How is Jamaica? Yeah, dude. Hi, dude. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you are watching Claudia Walks from. Thank you for those who are joining. We have Titus. Hi, Titus. Hi, Titus. Have you liked the live? Have you subscribed? Welcome and tell me where you're watching Claudia Walks from. Tell me where you're watching Claudia Walks from. Share the live so that people can get notified that we are live. Also, tap the screen. Tap the screen. It helps a lot. From Kenya. Wow, welcome. Kenya Pandagani. Kenya Pandagani, my dear. Which part of Kenya? Rock Kitchen. Hi. Thank you so much for joining. How is everyone? I can see people are joining. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Which part of Kenya? Guys, give the video a like and also let me know where you're watching Claudia Walks from. Eldoret. How is Eldoret? How is Eldoret? Let's continue liking. Dennis Kiprop, today you are early. Thank you. Thank you so much. Today you are so early. You are on time, actually. And thank you so much, Dennis. Hi, beautiful. I am from Uganda, Kampala. That is from Samuel. I'm happy to see you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Samuel. Kiprop. Kiprop. Yes. Yes. Yes, you can ask the question. You can ask the question you want to ask. Yes, and I'm happy Kiprop. I'm happy to see you here. Kongoi. Chamunge. Kongoi is thank you, right? Kongoi is thank you. Chamunge. Titus, you can go ahead and ask the question. We have you have marked my time. Definitely I am. I can't forget my fans. Habel, hi, good evening. Hi, good evening too. How are you doing? And where are you watching us from? Where are you watching us from? Go ahead and ask the question. I'll be able to answer if I am in a position to. Chamgay missing. Yemone. Yemone. It means so. From Uganda. Thank you so much, Abel. I'm happy to see you here. My Ugandan family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like the live, share with your friends. Achamenge. Thank you so much for those who are joining. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those who are joining. Where are you located? I'm in Kenya, Africa. A plane crashed and every single person died, including the pilot and the co-pilot, who survived the crash, and the cabin crew also died. What is the question now? Remember, you have said that in your first sentence, you are saying that every single person died. Every single person died. So your question is contradicting itself. Your question is contradicting yourself. So it is self, because you're saying a plane crashed and every single person died. Every single person, no one survived. Zano, hi. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Who survived the crash? No one survived. No one survived. No one survived. Hassan, how are you doing today? I am okay. What about yourself? I am pretty much okay. What about yourself? Have you liked the live? Have you subscribed? Thank you, and I'm happy to see you all here. I'm happy to see you all here. So, for me, no one survived. I'm happy that you are doing well. I am happy that you are doing well. I'm happy that you are doing well, my dear. Thank you for those who are joining. Kevin Gitao, hi. How are you doing today? Have you liked the live? Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Let me know. Those who are watching for the first time, feel at home. You are free to comment, to ask any question, to interact. Yes. Marceline. Hi, Marceline. How are you doing today? Where are you watching me from? If it's your first time, kindly like the live and also subscribe. If it's your first time, kindly like the live and also subscribe. Legs, what's your name? Ooh, Lexington Law. Ooh, Your names are so hard. Livingstone Law. Hi, dear. Thank you so much. Instagram, Claudia Walks. We have Chris. Hi, Chris. Thank you so much for joining. How are you, Chris? Instagram, Claudia Walks. Instagram, Claudia Walks. The same name here. We have Felipe. I don't forget I bring flowers for outside the door. I watch you from Mozambique. Oh, thank you so much. Let me Mozambique. Anyway, I haven't had someone from Mozambique, so let me add you to the list. I'm going to add your flag tomorrow. I'm gonna add your flag tomorrow, and thank you so much. I'm happy to see you here. I am happy to see you here. Oh, Mozambique, Africa is connecting. Mozambique. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my darling. I'm happy to see you here. I am very happy to see you here. You call my name good. Thank you. But you see, sometimes the way I pronounce some names here, it's not like the way they're supposed to be pronounced. I don't know. Filive Machele. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the correct way, but anyway, I always try. And thank you so much. And thank you so much. Subscribe if it's your first time. Also like, share with your friends. Tell them, you have got a friend from Africa. Tell your friends that you have got a friend from Africa and you tell them to subscribe, okay? I'm from Rwanda. My name is Jean Paul. Hi, Paul. Thank you so much for joining. We have Kumar. Hi, dear. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you so much. Give the video a like and also subscribe. Tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. We have Gusem. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. You are ever happy the way I am happy. Tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. As I come, I want to get to subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, my love. Let's continue tapping the screen, asking question. Give us a topic that you would love us to discuss right now. Give us a topic that you would love us to discuss right now. Let's continue tapping the screen, guys. So I am back. Why not Joseph Nyabura? Hi, Claudia. Thank you so much for joining. Like the live and subscribe if it's your first time. You can ask me any question you feel like you want to ask. Feel free, and also subscribe, like the live. We are 22. Can we get to 22 likes? Ask any question and also bring the topics that you would love us to discuss today. Give us some topics that you would love us to discuss today. I am here for you. Very, very here for you. How is everyone? Why not Joseph Nyabura? Where have you been? Yesterday we did not see you here. We missed you. Gusen is watching from South Africa. Thank you so much. Your flag is there. If you can't see your flag, let me know. We have Dalori. Hi, Dalori. Thank you so much for joining. My question is that where are you from? I'm from Kenya, Africa. Where are you watching me from? Marceline, where are you watching me from? I'm in Kenya, Africa, my dear. I'm in Kenya, Africa. You yourself, where are you watching me from? Not Nyambura, it's Wambura. Wambura means you were born when it was raining, right? Wambura. Thank you. Thank you so much for the correction. Monday, Vincent. How are you, my sweet lady? I am okay. I am okay, my darling. How are you doing? How are you doing? We have Sami Jamhuri. Hi, Sami Jamhuri. Welcome to today's live. Subscribe if it's your first time. Of course. Now you see, I know Wambura. Wambura, you were born when it was raining. Anyway, yeah, Kenya is so crazy. People long ago they were named after something. I'm fine, and you? I am okay. I am okay. Where are you watching me from? Sami Jamhuri. I am okay. Where are you watching me from? Come and visit me. I will treat you well. Where are you watching me from? Monday Vincent. Monday yes, let me call you Monday. Kenya. Kenya wapi? Kenya ni kubwa. Kenya ni kubwa sana. Pande gani ya Kenya unatazama? Natazama kutoka Kampala, Uganda. I'm coming there. Aha, Kumara, Sunday dear. No, you see you learned something in that class we had, where to pay blue jacket to connect friends through you. Where to pay blue jacket to connect friends through your channel. Sawa, nitawapatia, tumtulie hivyo hivyo. Nawapatia, msijali. Nawapatia tu, msijali, imagine. I'm giving you. Kibwezi Makueni. Watu Makueni. How is Makueni? Guys, go and subscribe to Why Not Joseph Mwambura. I've subscribed, I've already subscribed. But you need to be uploading videos. They are very fine, Kisii, Geoffrey, always Kisii, matoke ziko happy. Sami Kibuki Makueni kuichao, Kibwezi. Kibweze. I can see that you are a good farmer, Wambura. No one can't connect to others. It's okay, no problem. I will see. Aha, you are beautiful. Thank you so much, Kumar. And where do you come from? Aha. Me, I am from Kenya, Africa. I'm in Nairobi. Mimi ni wa Machakos. Mayakos. I'm from Machakos. Thank you very much, sister. Thank you so much. Guys, go and subscribe. Why not Joseph Wambura? Nikusema muno ete maembe. Maembe means mangoes. Edward. Hi, Edward. How are you doing? Thank you so much for connecting with us today. Thank you for connecting with us today. Go and text me on Instagram, Claudia Walks. I'm on Instagram, Claudia Walks. The same name you can see here. The same name which is there. Ni sawa, ina shida. Wewe nipatie hiyo nini pin. Nitakuja. Nikupatie pin nini utume kama parcel. Endo ni text kwa Instagram, Claudia Walks. Utaniona hapo to the same Claudia. Guys, tap the screen, Tap the screen. I learned 2 to 3 words from you, dear. I'm happy that you are learning something. We will visit, Okay, how comes when we write, you immediately see it, and we also see you live, but we can't talk so that you hear us using voice. Don't worry. Maembe nenda maembe kuma Makueni. Niwe mekwa maingi mono. Thank you so much for those who are tuning in. Thank you. Tap the screen so that the live can reach many people. And thank you so much, guys, for those who managed to watch yesterday's video. Actually, the views were more than 2,400 and something. And that was so incredible. I appreciate your love and your support. I appreciate your love and your support. I appreciate. We are almost there. Let me show you how I normally deal with people who misbehaves here. Let me show you right now. Right now. There is someone I need to block. There is someone who has 896. I'm blocking you right now. Cornelius Kipluto. Hi, darling. How are you doing, Kipluto? Jamunge. We have Joseph, Gino, good morning. It's good evening here. Good morning to your side. Good evening from here. How are you doing? Thank you guys for joining today's live. I'm happy to see you here. And I appreciate your love and your support for yesterday's live. If you were there yesterday, thank you. And if you are here today, thank you so much. Watching for the first time, like the live and subscribe. Also tap the screen. Tap the screen. Thank you for those who are joining right now. Tap the screen and also like, subscribe if it's your first time. Wake up. I would like to marry you. Thank you so much. Wake up, you are so beautiful. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Thank you for those who are joining right now. Tap the screen, like the live, subscribe if it's your first time. We are 25. Can we get to 25 likes? Are you single or married? I am married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. We have here and Duncan. Hello, beautiful. Hi, darling. How are you doing? We have Ellie. Hello, Ellie. How are you doing? And where are you watching me from? Here and Duncan, where are you watching me from? Also, give us a topic that you would love us to discuss today. I say that I will not come up with my topics, because if I come up with the topic, I will upload it as a video. But if you yourself, you give me the topic here, we will have to discuss it right on the spot. You are married? Yes, to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. Ellie, how are you? I am okay, my love. How about you? We have Sebesho. Hey, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Sister, can you stop that nonsense? I don't joke here. Aki wa Kenya, jamani. Wakenya jamani. I'm watching you from Nairobi, Kenya. Which part of Nairobi? Uko Kenya, uko Nairobi pande gani, my dear? Come live with me in Paris. I am coming, my dear. I am coming to live with you. Okay? You as one of the husbands. I will come to live with you. Thank you for those who are joining. We have Devi. Hi, Devi. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing? Kariobangi, North, Kariobangi South, Amawapi. Thank you so much for the love. Guys, tap the screen, Let's tap the screen, Let's continue tapping the screen. All guys, you don't know how to tap the screen. Kariobangi North or Kariobangi South. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. I'm in Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. I am in Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. I am fine, Mama. I am happy that you are fine. I'm also happy that you are fine and I'm so good. Yeah, and then Kariobangi North. Thank you. Thank you so much. How is Kariobangi North? How is Kariobangi North? Thank you. Thank you for those who are joining right now. Tap the screen. Guys, do you know how to tap the screen? Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Give us the topic. Do you have children? You guys, you are my husbands and you are asking me if I have children. Surely. I'm in Kitengela. Oh, thank you. Vumbi ya Kitengela inakupeleka aje? Vumbi ya Kitengela inakupeleka aje, my dear? Vumbi ya Kitengela inakupeleka aje? Now let me focus now. How is Kitengela, my dear? I will come to say hi one day. Most of the weekends are in those sides. Not every weekend, but mostly you will find me in those areas because I'm really in love with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do you wish to have a husband during this Valentine? You guys, you are my husbands. And if I don't get flowers, I'll get mad with you all. How can I have many husbands here? And then I don't get flowers on Valentine. Yo, you are joking. Your wife here will be waiting for the flowers. Iko fine. Sawa. I'm happy to hear that. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Subscribe if it's your first time. Yup. You guys will keep on asking me if I am married, if I am single, and I keep on answering the same question every day. I keep on answering the same question every day. I am married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. And I said, and I added something, until death do us part. Me, I'm coming to take you to live with you in Paris. No problem. No problem. And what will be the out rewards? I will be a submissive wife to you all. I'll be a submissive wife. You are the wife of my life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, give us a topic that you would love us to discuss. Apart from interacting, can you give us a specific topic that you want us to discuss? I was looking for you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, my love. I appreciate your love and your support. You are the most beautiful woman in the world. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Also, give us a topic that you would love us to discuss. Because I said that I won't be coming with a topic. If I come up with a topic, you will be going to watch it as a video. But here, you guys will give me the topic to discuss. How will you manage all of us? The way I'm managing you here. The way I'm managing you here. The way I'm managing you here is the same way I will. No problem. And guys, those who have not followed me on Instagram, let me type my Instagram here. Instagram, we are trying to grow the 2 accounts. Claudia Walks. Instagram account, Claudia Walks. That's my name on Instagram. Let me pin it. Claudia is mine. Keep off. You guys, you're so funny. You guys, you are so funny. Actually, guys, I just want to thank you all. Actually, we are growing. We are growing very fast, and I appreciate that. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Let's take Claudia Walks to the next level. Let's take Claudia Walks to the next level. Let's take Claudia walks. If you're watching this video, whoo, Claudia walks on YouTube. On YouTube, Claudia walks on Instagram, Claudia walks everywhere. And those who are liking, thank you so much. Mugisha Innocent is saying, me, I'm coming to pick you and I'll bring you here in Uganda because Kenyans will steal you from... Because Kenyans will steal you from me. Now you want to steal me and take me to Uganda? You want to steal me and take me to Uganda? Thank you for those who are joining. Guys, we won't take long here today. I'm feeling lazy. Don't worry, guys, I'm multitasking. Thank you so much, guys. Those who are joining, we said that we want to take Claudia to the next level. So subscribe and like the live. And also, and that's make sure to share this live. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Those who are joining right now, thank you and welcome. Give the video a thumbs up. Tap the screen. Guys, if you don't know how to tap the screen, on your comment, on your right, you will see some smiling emoji, love emoji, and a lot. So better go and subscribe and tap the screen. Tap the screen. Me, I won't see who is tapping. I will just be here appreciating you for tapping the screen because it does not show. It does not show. Give us a topic that you would love us to discuss for the next 30 minutes because I will be here just for 1 hour. And those who have not subscribed, can you subscribe? Those who have not subscribed, can you subscribe? Yes, wakwa hotel wakwa joining for the first time. Am I skipping your comment, guys? Woo! We have someone, HM. Hi, my love. HCH HM. Hi, thank you so much for joining. Give the video a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and welcome to today's live. Wilson is asking, what is your middle name? I'm not saying my middle name. You guys want me to give all the details here? No, I don't want to give all my details here. My middle name, not giving you. Stand up. Why should I stand up? Yebel Talminyunget. I'm not standing up. I don't stand up. When I'm on live, I don't stand up. Just enjoy me while sitting. Yeah, enjoy me while I'm sitting here. If you want to see me standing up, go and watch my previous videos. You will see me standing up. If you want me to stand up, or you want to see me while standing up, just go and watch my videos. I've always been doing videos whilst walking. That's why I'm Claudia Walks. Another question. Any other question, my loves? Wilson, I am not going to stand up. I am not going to stand up. I'm not going to stand up. Give the video a like. I am not going to stand up. What do you want to what do you want to see? What do you want to see? What do you want to see, my dear? What do you want to see? Let me know what you want to see, because I don't see the reason why you are telling me to stand up. All you think that I don't have legs. You think that I don't have legs. It's there, but I can't show you. I'm blessed. Fidel, you look so nice. Thank you so much, Fidel, and I'm happy to see you here. Give the video a thumbs up. Like the live. Like the live, my dears. Like the live. Like the live. Like the live. Thank you. Thank you. I am blessed. Just know that. And I thank God. I am blessed and I thank God. Those are joining for now, welcome and like the live. You guys, I told you to give me a topic that you would love us to discuss, but no, you are not giving me a topic, so we just interact and then we continue from there. We continue from there. When can you show us outside your country? But I've been always showing you outside. Oh, you want to see when can you show us outside your country? You want me to start traveling? Is that what you mean? You want me to start traveling? I'm going to start from the middle month of June, July, August, because I'm going to Jamaica. Hey, today I'm talking too slow. Today I'm talking slowly. So either in the month of June, July, or August, I'm going to show you outside my country, or what you mean by outside the country. I think that's what you mean. So if you want us to go to Jamaica together, just comment down below or go and text me on Instagram. I am Claudia Works. Today I'm slowly. Some people have been complaining on Instagram, Claudia, sometimes you're talking too fast. We don't hear what you say. Anyways, I'm sorry for that. You see me, I'm saying sorry. I am always sorry for that. So very soon I'm going to show you outside the country. So starting with Jamaica, going to, and guys, don't disappoint me. I just need only 5 people who can. Anonymous, hi my love. Anonymous, how are you? Subscribe if it's your first time, and also like the live. Subscribe if it's your first time, like the live, and let's continue. Your face is very pretty and vibrant. Thank you so much, Fidel. Thank you so much, Fidel. Thank you so much. I appreciate your comment. Those who are joining right now, kindly give the video a thumbs up, by liking, subscribing, and also following on Instagram. Following me on Instagram, I'm Claudia Works. Thank you so much for the love emojis. Oh, whoever is sending those love emojis, high five. High five again. I appreciate, my dear. Thank you so much. Can I put a ring on your finger? No, don't put a ring on these beautiful fingers of mine. I don't want a ring right now. I don't want a ring right now. So beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's continue tapping the screen. YouTube can't marry you. Already it has already married me, and that's why I am here. YouTube has already married me, that's why I am here. So don't say that YouTube can't marry me. Don't say YouTube can't marry me. Already I'm YouTube's wife. Already I'm YouTube's wife. Any other question? We say that if no questions, no topic, we will still be here. The live will be going for 1 hour 30 minutes. Oh, the duration for the live today is 1 hour 30 minutes, and then we call it a day, and then we go enjoy our sleep. Then we go and enjoy our sleep. But for those who want to go to sleep right now, you can go to sleep, because I know in Kenya it's 12 minutes past 9. So I know some of you are working tomorrow. Just have a lovely night. The rest we can continue tapping the screen. The rest we can continue tapping the screen. Feroxy, hi Feroxy, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time, give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Yup. Where are you watching me from, guys? Thank you so much, Feroxy. Let's continue sending those love emojis. Let's continue tapping the screen. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Like the live and subscribe. Also, let us know where you're watching from. If there is question you want to ask. Also, if you have a topic that you'd love us to discuss. Tuning in from Australia. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear. I'm happy to see you here. Yes, we are in Kenya, Africa. I'm in Kenya, Africa. And I'm happy to see you here. Coming to Kenya, can I meet you? Yes, you can meet me, no problem, as long as it will not be a weekday, because from Monday up to Saturday noon, I'm very busy. So I'm always available from Saturday afternoon and Saturday's afternoon and Sunday afternoons. That's the only time I am available. Which country? I'm in Kenya, Africa, my dear. I'm in Kenya, Africa. I'm in Kenya, Africa. Where are you watching me from? Those who are joining right now, kindly like the live and also subscribe. Oh, I meant, can you show us Kenya outside? Go and watch my videos. I've been in the street showing you how Kenya is. Go and watch my videos on the streets. I used to interact with people from the streets, enjoying that life, vibing, and doing a lot of things. So just go and watch this video. You will see how Kenya is so beautiful. I will look for you. No problem. No problem. No problem. Kenya is a beautiful country actually. So if you would love to visit Kenya, please come and enjoy every moment. Welcome to magical Kenya. Can you host me for Can you host me for visiting Kenya? Definitely, me, what I can do is to offer you tour guidance. But about hosting you, I am sorry. We have Airbnbs, we have hotels, a very nice Airbnbs, very nice hotel where you can sleep and then you enjoy your tour. Those who have not followed me on Instagram, kindly go and follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. Okay, I will look for you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't wait. I can't wait. Today I'm talking too slowly because I don't know why when I'm on lives I talk too fast. We have thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome, my dear. That's the only service I can offer. Taking you around and enjoying every moment in Kenya. But hosting you, not at a moment. Not at the moment. You stay in Kenya? Yes, I am in Kenya. Yes, I am in Kenya, Africa. I am in Kenya, Africa. Thank you. You are welcome, my love. Those who are joining right now, kindly like the live and also subscribe. Gusen, what's up? What's up, my dear? What's up? What's up? What's up? So tomorrow I'm not forgetting to add Mozambique flowers. Today I tried to add Bangladesh. I tried to add Papua Guinea. I tried to add Haiti, and also I tried to add Congo. Those are the flags which were not on my description yesterday. So I've received one just country for today. I will come to Kenya soon. Let's enjoy together. And here I will actually I've enjoyed everything in Kenya. Just few places remaining, and then I call it Kenya. And then you yourself, you will be the one who will be enjoying, not me. You yourself will be the one who will be enjoying because it's your first time here, okay? To be your first time here. Me, Kenya is home. Kenya is home. We have Anthony the God. Hi, my dear. Anthony, can you give us the progress of your school? How are you doing in school? Are your friends still bullying you or they stopped? Paul. Hi, my dear Gasharu Paul. Hi, my dear. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Give the video a like and also subscribe. Respice is watching me from California, USA. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my love. How are you doing? Guys, if you are new here, give the video a thumbs up and also go follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. My name is there, pinned there on the description, or not on the description, on the comment. So go follow me on Instagram, Claudia Walks. Are you married? YouTube is my husband. YouTube is my husband. I'm good, dear. I am happy that you are good. I am happy that you are good. Thank you so much. Are you married or not? I'm married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband. YouTube is my husband, okay? I hope you have heard me right. YouTube is my husband. Where are you from? I'm from Kenya, Africa, my dear. I am from Kenya, Africa. Yes, YouTube is my husband. Till death do us part. Aha! Ignacia Mbalo. Let me call you Mbalo. Nice and girl. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much. Those who are joining right now, we are 21. Let's tap the screen. You check if you have subscribed. Check if you have subscribed. Is YouTube your husband? Is YouTube your husband? Yes, YouTube is my husband. YouTube is my husband. I greet you from Togo, West Africa. Thank you so much. Let me add your let me note your country down so that I can add your flower tomorrow. So tomorrow don't miss live. Tomorrow don't miss the live. Okay? Charles. Hi, Charles. How are you, my love? Aha. Respite, the place of my mother. Yes. Yes. You need to visit Kenya. You need to visit Kenya. God bless you, nice girl. Thank you, and may He also bless you too. I will once visit Africa. I'm praying and hoping that you will visit soon. How are you? I am okay, Charles. What about you? When will you marry? Already married to YouTube. I'm not ready to get married again. YouTube is my husband. Women of Togo love you. Wow! Thank you. I love you too. Tell them I love them too. Tell them I love them too. I appreciate. I appreciate that. Robinson, my friend name is Santi. Say hi to your friend. Say hi to your friend Robinson. Say hi to your friend. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe, like the live. You are my sister. Nice. Many greetings from Sacramento. Am I pronouncing it correctly? Thank you so much. I appreciate my love. I appreciate my love, and I'm happy to see you here. So I hope to be seeing you. I hope and praying that I'll be seeing you here every day. Aha, Sami Jamhuri, uko mtaa gani sasa? Mimi si niko hapa Mombasa Road. Niko hapa Syokimau. My friend talking, hi, how are you? Tell your friend that hi too. I am okay. Ask him all how is he or she doing? Say hi to your friends. Do you go to church? Yes, I go to church. I'm a Christian. Today I'm not talking fast. I go to church. I'm an active member. So when you see me here, just know that I am a church girl. I am a church girl. I am not a bad girl. I am a church girl. Yes. Or are you joking, Claudia? I think I skipped your comment. Me, I am serious. YouTube is my husband. And I'm waiting on Valentine's Day. That's the day you will see my husband surprising me. This YouTube you are seeing here, you will see it surprising me. Any other question before? I hope I've not skipped someone comment. I hope I've not skipped anyone's comment. I hope I have not skipped anyone's comment. Did you pray to God today? I always pray every day, my dear. Without prayers, we could not be where we are right now. Greetings to my brother-in-law. YouTube. You guys, you are my husbands. You guys, you are my husband. I am your wife. Okay? Ooh. Oh, greetings to my brother-in-law. Who is YouTube? Who is YouTube? YouTube. YouTube. Okay, let me tell YouTube. You, my husband. Respite has greeted you. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys were so funny. You guys will expect me to come here and disclose my private life? No. Hello, Sam. Hi. Odi, can you type in English? Me, I cannot understand. I cannot understand your language. Me, I cannot understand your language. Please, 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 please. My, good evening, princess. How are you? Good evening to you too. I am okay. What about you? What about you, my dear? What about you, my dear? Thank you, Kevin Gitao. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my darlings. Let's keep on tapping the screen, the love emoji, and also other emojis. May God bless your family. Nice to watch your channel. Thank you so much, my dear. And may God bless your family also. We are tapping those blessings this year. That's what I said. Hi, I am YouTube. So, if you are YouTube, so what, my dear? Let us know what you mean if you are YouTube. Those who are joining right now, thank you so much. I said that I am here only for 1 hour, 30 minutes, and then we call it a day. Today I am sleeping very, very early. Tell me, what country are you in? Mike, I am in Kenya. I am in Kenya, Africa. I am in Kenya, Africa. We have Waweru. Are you preaching? Are you preaching or not? I am not preaching, my dear. I am not preaching. We are just interacting. We are just talking. No preaching today. And if you tell me to preach, you are too good girl. Thank you. And not that even if I was a preacher, I could not preach here because we are from different religions. Okay, bye. Bye. I am not preaching, my dear. I am not preaching if that's what you were looking for. My channel is not for preaching. My channel is not for preaching, my dear. Any other question? Any other question, guys? Thank you for those who are joining. So you are not ready to proclaim the truth to the word of Christ. No, let me tell you one thing. Don't expect me to come here and start preaching. We also have Muslims here. We have also people who don't believe in Christianity, in any of religion. We also have people who practice traditional beliefs. So don't tell me to proclaim, to do what. That is between me and the God I serve. That is between me and my God, okay? That is between me and my God. Waweru, that is between me and my God. This channel is not about preaching. Patrick Mbinjo, hi my love. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Like the live, subscribe if it's your first time. So this is not a preaching channel. This is not a... Thank you for the emojis. This is not a preaching channel. So I'm happy that you are fine, Patrick. Okay, but I have a friend from your country here with me in Russia. Doing what in Russia? Mike. You guys, what are you doing in Russia? Guys, doing what in Russia? Welcome to the US. I'm coming to US very soon. I am coming to US very soon. How is Kenya? Kenya is very good. Kenya is very good. Yes, US coming soon. US me coming soon. So you have a say hi to your friend Basi. Mike, say hi to your friend. What are you doing in Russia? Working? Are you in military or what? Because the stories I'm hearing about Russia, they are all over the news. Hi, Guyana, South America. Terry. Hi, Terry. How are you doing? Subscribe, like the live if it's your first time. And welcome to the amazing channel. And welcome to this amazing channel. We are happy to see you here. Let's arrange. May God bless your talent. Thank you so much. We are arranging and I can't wait to meet you there. I can't wait to meet you there. No, I am not in the military. Woo! Let me breathe. I thought you were watching while you are under the bushes. Under the bushes and inside them. I'm happy that you are not in the military. We have Philip. Hi, my dear Philip. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining today's live. I'm happy to see you here. Hey, today I'm behaving. I'm not talking fast. Today I'm not talking too fast. Thank you. Thank you. Those who are joining right now. Vicky saying that I love you. I love you too. Thank you, my darling. You are such an amazing people who like supporting each other, who like connecting. Those who are joining right now, you know what to do. We are at 51. Actually, today we are at 51.65. And guys, do you know that yesterday we got over 100 subscribers? In just one day, over 100 subscribers. Now, can we get to 10,000 subscribers? Can we get to 10,000 subscribers? If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe then. Those who are liking, thank you. Hello, mom. I've already liked. Thank you so much, Madoda Siswe. Thank you so much. All the blessings from the Caribbean island, Grenada. Thank you so much, my Caribbean people. I just love you so much. And I can't wait to meet you this year, God's willing. May God spare us life so that we can meet you. We can meet you. So if you would love, you would love to go with us to Caribbean, kindly. If we are going to Jamaica either in the month of June, July, or August, please comment down below or go and text me on my Instagram. My name is Claudia Walks. But you need to have already subscribed. Thank you so much, Respise. But you need to come here. I want to tell your brother Kenya from here. Tell my brother from Kenya there I said hi, okay? And also tell my brother from Kenya to follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks, okay? Yes. Someone is saying what? 100 subscribers in a day. Family is growing bigger and bigger each day. Definitely. So just know that if you have not subscribed, you will be missing a lot and you will miss a lot. So you better like the live and also subscribe, put that notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I will be uploading. Yes, yesterday it was over 100 subscribers. Over 100 subscribers, and I'm praying that and hoping that in the next 2 to 3 months we'll be at 10k subscribers. And from when, my schedules are very tight, so I'm planning to be uploading a video. Like twice or thrice a week. So, but I'll try to fix myself. Are you on Telegram? No, I am not on Telegram. I don't do Telegram, my dear. That is like for me, I don't take Telegram as a good app, because I know the reasons why I'm saying that. I have my personal reasons, so I am not there. I am on Instagram. Telegram, no. And I will never ever have a Telegram app in my phone. How have you been, my love? Silas Mengi saying that is asking how have I been. My dear, my darling, I've been okay. I've been okay, I thank God. What about you? What about you, my dear? Let's continue subscribing. Let's continue subscribing and liking the live, guys. We have few minutes and then we end the live. Around 20 something minutes. Around 20 something minutes and then we call it a day. Thank you so much, this junk. Hey, your name is so hard. I love you too. Thank you. I love you too. Thank you. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching Claudia Walks from, my dear? Thank you. Thank you. I've missed you so much. I've missed you too. Where have you been? Where have you been, my dear? Savane, hi, my darling. Thank you so much for joining. I'm happy that you guys, you are liking the live, you are subscribing, and thank you. Thank you so much. We have Chelsea Clinton. Hi, my dear. Today you are so late. Why? Clinton, how have you been? How is your day going so far? Because I know where you are, it's maybe 1:38 p.m. Yeah, it's 21:38 p.m. 9:21, it's 9 p.m. Today I decided to go live early because the third day of the week. The third day of the week. Jose, hi Claudia, what about you? Me, I am okay. I am okay, Jose. And you? Jose, I am okay, and you? Jose chanting. Claudia, I'm good as long as I can see your beautiful smile. Thank you. We have Jose saying that I am good. I am happy that you are okay. May, we only use Telegram here, but can you send me your Instagram? My Instagram name is here, Claudia Walks. My Instagram name is here, Claudia Walks. It's here. Just look at your comments. At the top, you will see orange color, Claudia Walks. Yes, let's tap the emojis, guys. Let's tap the emojis. I embrace Claudia. Hi, my darling. How are you doing today? How is your day so far? I've been busy from work. Imagine they allocated me night shift. Oh my God. Night shifts are so crazy. I can tell you, when I work at night, I don't work at night shift, but there are some things I do at night, like revising for exams, assignments, but it's crazy, man. Manish Kumari saying, I love you too. We have Milka, Kenya too. Kenya to the world. Let me see your comments. Kenya to the world. Gaza Nation. Thank you so much, Milka. Thank you so much, my love. Milka, thank you. Thank you so much. We have Maurice. Hello, how are you doing? Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, my darling. Happy New Year to you. How are you doing? Norman, how is your day so far? Thank you so much. So, Silas, I know how it feels, but I am sorry. I am sorry. So make sure on Saturday, because you are not working during the day, you will be on night shift. You bring me flowers. Okay? Guys, let's continue subscribing. I'm kidding, yeah? I'm just making jokes. Don't take me serious. My YouTube husband, YouTube who is my husband will feel bad. YouTube, my husband will feel bad. Thank you so much, explorers. Guys, go and subscribe to Desert. Go and subscribe to Desert Channel Explorers. He has got an amazing content. He has got an amazing content there. We have Grace affordable believing. Sorry, Grace Affordable Living. Hi, my dear. How are you doing, Grace? I'm happy to see you here. Give the video a like. Let's continue. Let me read comments from here. Let me read your comments. Yes, sure, I will bring you flowers. So zile maembe zetu utadeliver lini? Hiyo siku nitadeliver. Those who want mangoes. Those who want mangoes, send me your locations. I'm sending mangoes for free. As long as you will pay for delivery, me, I have no problem. How are you doing, beautiful Embrace? I'm doing okay. I am doing okay. What about you? What about you now? What about you, my darlings? Those who are joining right now, better like the live and subscribe for more content. For more content, my lovies. To Nairobi. To Nairobi, how much? To Nairobi. Parcel. As a parcel, it's 300. It's 300. I will be the delivery person. the delivery woman. Claudia, what are your plans for Valentine's? Me, I have no plans. You guys were my husbands. I have no plans. I'm waiting for your surprises. I'm waiting for your surprises. So, Grace, have you heard me? Thank you for those who are joining right now. Give the video a thumbs up and also like the live. We have we have Diongo. Hello, my love. Thank you so much. We have Ronald. My name is Ronald. My girlfriend cheated on me. Why is your girlfriend cheating on you? Why is your girlfriend cheating on you? Maybe you did something wrong to her. We have Mike. Mike, hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time, kindly like the live and also subscribe. Don't be missing these lives. They are so amazing. How about you deliver to Mombasa? Mzigo ni mzigo nikituma kama mzigo is 500 and once I'm sending like no parcel. Parcel is just a small thing. Just know that it's 500 plus. 500 plus. Hi Zach. Hi my dear Wanjala. How are you doing? Thank you guys for joining. I can see people are still subscribing and now you have stopped liking the live. You have stopped liking the live, guys. Can we continue to like the live? Can we continue to like the live? Thank you so much for tapping. Tapping. Tap, tap as I clap for you. Thank you so much, guys. Silas, Mombasa. Mombasa, me, I don't know it's how much. Maybe 500 plus. 300 is for the small parcel. For the small parcel, so I don't know. All I bring here, you come pick them from here. I bring you pick them from here. We have live mirror. Live mirror. Am I pronouncing your name correctly, my dear? Sasa po sana uko aje? I'm happy to see you here. Tuko hapa. Guys, also go and subscribe to Live Mirror. He has an amazing YouTube channel. Actually, we go to church together. Let me not lie. I'm a church girl. He's a church boy. Hi. Can you go and support him by subscribing? Cardi buses is 200. But honestly, I don't know where Cardi buses. Where in town? Which streets can I get those? Does Easy Coach come to Mombasa to your place? Easy Coach, all Ena Coach, all modern cost. Because I'm near Mombasa Road, so I can use the what? I can deliver them using the office in Mombasa Road near Airtel. Those are the only places which are near me. Me, I don't normally go to town like that. You are welcome. Live Mirror, you are welcome. Stanley Richards, how are you? I am okay. What about yourself? Guys, if it's your first time, can you go and subscribe to the live and also share with your friends? We have Brayo and a coach. It's okay. If any coach can reach to where you are, you just send me your details on, even if it's 10 mangoes. I know you will appreciate because you guys, you are so many and I will give you like 10 mangoes for free. But delivery, you have to pay. Yes, I'm in town, katikati. Any bus is good. It's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's okay, my dear. Katikati ya town. Wewe uko katikati ya town. Tatenda, Ronel, hi my love, thank you so much for joining. We have Stanley, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm happy that you have liked. Martin Muteti, hey Martin Muteti, how are you? Welcome and like the live and also subscribe. Muteti, how are you? We are 20. Let's continue liking, tapping the screen and also interacting because you failed to give us a topic that we will be discussing today. So we will continue typing, interacting. Like and subscribe. Yes, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much, my loves. You are so amazing. You are so amazing, guys. You are so amazing. We are at 5167. Actually, I'll be updating you on how people are subscribing, on how we are growing. I'm happy that you are good, Martin. Martin, iko na yebawe. Martin Muteti, uko kona gani? Me and Kamba. When I see a Kamba, I have to speak Kamba. 10 mangoes delivery fee is 300 as well. No problem. No problem. Just go and send your details on Instagram, Claudia Walks. Your details. I will send mangoes to everyone. Whoever is watching me today, tomorrow I'm not talking about mangoes. So it's just today. 10 mangoes I'm sending to you. 10 mangoes I am sending to you. But make sure you have delivery fee. Alakwa ni wewe ni Mkamba, ye ni Mukamba. Kai. That's how Kamba is sweet. Kai. You love your, I love you, you love my what? And thank you so much, you are loving, but I don't know what you're laughing. Thank you so much. So make sure to send those one mango, even if it's 10, 15 mangoes, because a lot of people want mangoes. And I'm selling some. Don't see me here like, I am selling some. But you guys, because you are my biggest family, I'm going to send you even if it's 10, 10, 10, 10. Make sure you to send me your details on Instagram, Claudia Walks. Your details, delivery details, your name, and the location you are in. Ni wa Masago lakini Nairobi. Ni wa Masago lakini Nairobi. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Let's continue tapping the screen, liking, subscribing. Yes. Yes, let's continue liking and subscribing. Any other question, guys? Any other question? Do you have any question? Can you comment something then? Guys, can you comment something? If you don't have any question. Those who are joining right now, because I can see people are still joining. Yes, ask. Yes, ask. What about our Caribbean brothers and sisters? Will you deliver to them? Yes, I will send through DHL. I'll send through DHL. But sending like 10, 20 mangoes, it will be so expensive. Do you know that sending a parcel, even which is less than 1 kg or 2 kgs, it will cost you more than $100 plus. That is delivery. $100 plus. So I don't know how I will help them, but I have brothers and sisters from Caribbean who are in Kenya, so they will hit the mangoes on their behalf. Hello, sister. Please give me a pin. Sister, help me. This is a new channel. Yesterday, I told people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, so I hope they subscribed. Martin, niko Nairobi. Niko Nairobi, hapa sio Kimau. Niko Nairobi, sio Kimau. Guys, go and subscribe to I Can Natenge. Like the live, guys. Like the live. We are at, let me tell you, we are at how many subscribers? We are at 5168. People, you are not subscribing. You are not subscribing. We are not subscribing. Why? Sister, make me a pin. I have already told, I have already communicated with my fans to subscribe to you, and they will subscribe. Just be patient. They are going to subscribe. Martin Muteti. Okay, sawa sawa. Basi, wewe uko pande gani ya hii Kenya? Uko pande gani ya hii Kenya? We have Dan Lamy. How are you, baby? I am okay, my darling. What about you? What about you? Are you okay? Are you okay? Sawa sawa basi. Sawa sawa, Martin. Guys, watching for the, I can see people are joining. And those who want to, it's almost 5 minutes to 10. Those who want to go to sleep, guys, you can go to sleep. You can go to sleep. Natasha. Unalala mukaje? Unamaanisha nini? Unamaanisha nini? Mimi niko sawa. Unamaanisha nini? What do you mean, ka Natasha? Yes, see you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we are going to have a live at the same time. Tomorrow we are going to have a live at the same time. So for now, Ronel, bye for now. Those who are joining, let's interact in the comments. We have few minutes and then we call it a day. We call it a day, a day, a day. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe. Where are you? I am in Nigeria. I'm in Kenya, Africa. I am in Kenya, Africa right now, and I'm happy that you are watching me from Nigeria. Kindly, can you subscribe and also give this live a thumbs up? Guys, can we go to sleep in the next 20 minutes? Is that okay? Can we end this live? Because I've set the live to go for 1 hour, 30 minutes. Can I add you like 20 minutes and then we go to sleep? Can we add 20 minutes and then we go to sleep? And thank you so much for those who are subscribing. At least today we have gained how many subscribers? Around 50 subscribers. And I'm so grateful for that. Today we have gained 52 subscribers. That's so amazing. We are doing fine. We are doing good. And yesterday we added 100 subscribers. And that's good. It means that we are growing. Here, let me read it from here. You know, I was about to sleep early, then boom, this Claudia appears. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I'm happy that you are here. Just me send your details on Instagram. Honestly, I will send you some mangoes. I'll send you even if it's 10, 15 mangoes. Okay? Yes, from my farm. I'll send you mangoes direct from my farm. Thank you so much, Mr. Nelson. We appreciate your love, your support. You are so amazing. And I didn't know what I did. Undo. My God. I don't know where I touched, but anyway, thank you so much, Mr. Nelson. May God bless you. We appreciate your love, your support, and everything you do to this amazing channel. One of our blessings this year. In Nigeria time, it's 8. Yeah, it's 2 minutes to 10 p.m. 2 minutes to 10 p.m. So we are 22. We are 22 right now. Can you check if you have subscribed? Today I'm talking slowly. Gracie, hi, Gracie. Thank you so much, Gracie. How are you? I deleted your message, Nelson, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't know where I touched, but anyway, it's my phone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We appreciate. We have Edward. Edward, hi, my hex. Woo! I'm not your hex. Me, I've never had an ex called Edward. Where? I'm sorry. I've never had an ex called Edward. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. But I'm sorry. We are 21. Just check if you have subscribed. I've added you. Guys, I will add you more. I said that I will add you 20 minutes. Now 3 minutes are gone. So we are remaining with 17 minutes. 17 minutes. 17 minutes. 17 minutes and then we get the live. And guys, remember on Valentine's Day, I am waiting for you guys to bring me physical flowers. Anyway, we will be here. Your smile is that is there? Your smile is there? What? My smile is the what? Sawa, nitakugawia. Nitakugawia. Bring me 50. It's okay, I will bring you 50 mangoes. So let me have your details on WhatsApp. Direct from the farm. Direct from the farm. I'm sending you mangoes for free. Honestly. Mangoes for free. What you will pay is the delivery fee. I'm not going to pay delivery fee. So someone who has those who have confirmed that they want mangoes, you just know delivery from Nairobi. It's how much to the place you are. Hi, my love. Hi, my darling. That is Hamad. How are you doing? Thank you so much. We have 15 minutes remaining. My village is so dry, no flowers. Let me tell you, I watched some of your videos and I saw water somewhere. Was it a river or what? Was it a river or what? So just be planting flowers there, be watering them like every day, and then during Valentine's, you come and give them to me. Bring me 50. It's okay. Only cactus leaves. Cactus, makolotwe. We call them makolotwe in our local language, cactus. But I had the cactus fruits. They are so good. They are very healthy. They are, I don't know the benefits they give, but I had that. They are the best. We have also cactus in our, not in our, like in our bushes. I saw a place where we have cactus. So they were so many, the fruits, but I've never tasted the fruits. You are medicine woman. Thank you. Thank you. Cactus fruits and donkey milk are very healthy. Where? Explorers. Donkey milk is being used by the Somali people. Those guys, they drink camel milk. Me, I've never. And the reason why I'm saying that, I don't take milk or anything with milk. So I've always seen camel milk with Somali people in Isili. So also go and watch my videos. There is a video I did showing you the dangle milk. Google about dangle's milk and all the benefits. Actually, I will do, but for me, maybe my fans, you guys, if you're watching me, go and Google about the dangle milk, because I personally, I don't like milk. I don't drink milk or anything with milk. I'm allergic to milk. Right now, if I take milk right now, I will just collapse and start changing. You will see me changing like a chameleon. Yes, so that's about me with the milk. We are not friends with milk. No friends with milk. Even the smell. Me and milk, we are like this. It's just like oil and water. So guys, if you want camel milk, just go and check Desert Explorers on his YouTube channel. Do you want to marry me? That is Myron Nov. Me, I'm married to YouTube. YouTube is my husband and I love YouTube so much. When did you realize you are allergic to milk? When I was in class what? I used to take milk. It's not like I did not anyway, let me put it like this. While I was growing up, I used to take milk. I'll even got milk. That is what I've been raised up with. And then until when I was in around class 4, class 5, class 6, somewhere there, I started, because we used to have those fermented milk. We normally use them to heat ugali with. For those who don't know ugali, it's turned cornmeal. Now, when I was in that, is it lower primary level? That's when I started realizing that something is affecting my body. Also during that time, the meat now we eat, the cow meat, the goat meat, it was giving me those allergy. Once I eat right now the meat, it will give me a big what do we call them? I don't know. I'll start changing and developing something on my skin. Now, I used to take tea during then. After that, the pure milk. Now I'm talking about the pure milk. But we know that when we are preparing tea, we also use milk. Now it came to a year 2014, 15, somewhere there. Now that's when I stopped taking tea with milk. Because once I take the milk with tea, I could start puking. And it was draining my energy. So I stopped. So just know it's not something which has started right now. It started long ago while I was a kid. Wary, hi my love. Thank you so much for joining. We have David Golden. Thank you so much. Hello, good night, pretty. Good night, and thank you so much for joining today's live. So, Cyrus, it's not like something which has started recently. That it has been there. Even I personally in my life, in my house, I don't take tea. I better take porridge or the black tea. Or coffee. But I, because of the visitors, my nieces, my nephews, when all my brothers and sisters, whenever they come into the house, I have always milk in my kitchen. I stock a lot. So it does not mean that if I'm not taking milk, the others should not take milk. So they have to. But for me, it's a no. So for those who want to go to sleep, you can go to sleep. I know it's 8. It's 8 minutes past 10. I say that I'm going to give you how many minutes? Now we have 12 minutes. No, not 12. Let me say 10. 10 minutes remaining. And then we call it a day. 10 minutes and then you go to sleep. So I think I have answered you about the meat and the milk. Now, whenever I come to your place, you prepare me some tea because we Africans, not only Africans, but mostly Kenyans. When you visit someone, they have to make you tea. Tea. Like it's our culture. It's our culture. We Kenyans. When you visit someone, tea. When you visit someone, tea. In Nairobi and also in the villages. When you have visitors, first thing you welcome people with, it's tea. So for me, when I visit you, don't prepare me tea. Just know that. Just know that. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe. Those who want to go to sleep, you can go to sleep right now. I'm releasing you. Have a lovely night. Thank you so much for the love emojis. Hey guys, you're so amazing. I just love when you join my live, even if you're not commenting, just keep on tapping the love emojis. We have our MGS. Hi. Hi, thank you so much for joining. At least today I was too slow. Thank you so much, Grace, for the love. Thank you so much, Grace, for the love. I just appreciate you. I just appreciate you, Grace. Grace, how are you doing this night? I am doing pretty good. What about you? I'm checking on something. I want to check if Grace has a YouTube channel. I go and subscribe. I'm here. Sole Kase. Yes, I already subscribed. I need to know how to make what? I need to know how to make biryani. I'm learning how to make biryani. Grace, can you teach me how to make biryani, my love? Can you teach me how to make biryani? Biryani. Biryani. Mombasa people. What were biryani? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate those who are joining right now. Welcome. We are ending the live in the next 5 minutes. Just wait. 5 minutes, we are ending the live. We have been here for 1 hour and some few minutes. So, as I told you that I am not gonna take long here. Henry, hi babe. Hi darling. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining, Henry. Thank you. Gracie, I can see you love cucumber threads. Huh? You have a TikTok account. I come and promote you. Me, I like promoting my fans only. And honestly, how are you doing? I am doing pretty good. I am doing pretty good. I am doing pretty. Yes, I can see you dropped the video 2 hours ago. 3 hours ago. I'm gonna watch it. Do you have a TikTok account? Because I can see you are selling some things. Can you go follow me on Instagram? You text me your TikTok handle. I will shop from you, honestly. I have dropped a new video today on how to make chapo. Guys, come and watch kindly. I will do that recipe for you, dear biryani. Aki, you better do. Because me, I'm looking on YouTube. Very, very different recipes. I don't know which one to follow. And make sure you don't do something which has yogurt inside. So you will do the biryani with the yogurt. I know you in biryani you put plain yogurt. Me, milk is a no. So can you do the biryani which has no milk? Aha. We have let me go to the comments. Hello, I'm from Kenya, Africa, my dear. Sorry for that. So you are surviving with turungi, all uji. You're missing a lot. I know I'm missing a lot, but it's life. It's life. And I don't like to take medicine about it. Because, if it's not working for me, it's not working. That's me. That's me. So I cannot force myself to drink milk because it will change my mood, my everything. Honestly. But meat, I quoted about the same thing which happened to milk, it also happened to meat. But with time, this is what happened. For me to continue eating meat, there is this time we prepared meat. It was lunchtime, and then I started developing those things on my skin everywhere and itching. Now what happened is that my dad told me that I should take 3 cups of, there was a big cup, we were in the village, big cup, and then that I said that I should take 3 cups of water so that I can stop getting those reaction on my body. And honestly, I did. I took 3 full cups of water, 3, even if I was not feeling thirsty. And from there, that thing went away. Bonjour. I hope that you have understood. Me, I'm surviving on uji. Uji is porridge, or turungi, the black tea. Guys, let's continue liking. Oh, we are at 50 likes. Thank you so much. So Grace, go on Instagram and text me your TikTok account, because I cannot shop from here. If you are selling something, I'll promote you. Guys, if you are selling something, you are in Kenya, I would love to promote you. Jaluo, me, I'm not a Luo. No, stop. I am not a Luo, I'm a Kamba. I am a Kamba, stop. Oh, you are Luo from Kisumu. I'm happy to see you here. Nitumanishia samaki basi. Continue liking the lives, loves. Thank you so much, my darling. Grace is reminding you to like, and also go and subscribe to Grace if you want to get those amazing recipes. You better go and watch Grace. Grace has You know. We have a shock. Hello, I am the 50 liker. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Ashok, yesterday you missed our live and it was so amazing. I'm praying and hoping that tomorrow you won't miss. We Kisumu, tuma samaki. I am not on Instagram, on TikTok. I am. Go on TikTok. I am Claudia Walks. On TikTok, I am Claudia Walks or Claudia CCL. Claudia Walks or Claudia CCL. You will get me there. I also sell handbags in bales. So I'm a businesswoman, but I'll promote you. But it's no more my love. So many people are allergic to proteins and better option is to abstain from it. Yes, because I don't want complications in the future. I don't want to bring problems to my husband, YouTube, my husband. I don't want to bring problems. You look like me. I am not. Yes, not only Jaluo. Most people say that I look like a Luya. No, I am not. The reason why you are saying that is like it's because I've added weight. I have added weight. I'm working on it. Just give me 2 months. I will be back to my normal weight. Anyway, what are you studying? I am studying many things. I am busy these days. Sorry, I am taking part in reality show. Really? So there is something which is cooking. We are 22 guys. Check if you have subscribed. So there is something which is cooking. I appreciate. I'll promote you. Thank you so much. Girl for girls. Girl for girls. Gracie. I just love that. And make sure guys to support Gracie. Subscribe to Grace. YouTube channel is Grace Affordable Living. And honestly, she is living that affordable living. Guys, go and subscribe to her. Subscribe to Virtually with Ashok. He has an amazing channel too. You have been seeing him supporting us here. We have John's World. I've not seen him today. Go and subscribe too. We have Explorers, Desert Channel Explorer. Go and support. Who has a YouTube channel here? But I want to. I'm married to YouTube. Can you stop? Guys, stop asking me if I'm married. I was about to send you Molsik. But since I heard your story, I feel sorry for you and disappointed at the same time. Don't get disappointed. Me, Molsik, I've never tested Molsik, but I've always seen it with my colleagues, college. Chamonge. Yamwana. It means also. Yes. Me, Molsik, I can't do anything with milk. I don't. Anything that you will add milk, I will just know because of the smell. Same applies to Blue Band. I'm allergic to. So I don't. You see, my husband, who is YouTube, has got no problem with buying those things. Life is so easy. Life is so easy. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Like the live and also subscribe if it's your first time. Let's check. We are at how many subscribers? Hey, you speak my language well. Yes, I know you. I know Kale. I know Kalenjin language. I've interacted with Kalenjins. So I know a bit of it. Small. The greetings. Like the greetings. How are you? How was your day? How was your day going? How was it? And also some people here are Kalenjin. So when I speak like Yemone, someone will respond and I will know. We are at 5171, guys. Claudia, yesterday I saw your Insta. When have you posted last? Can you go and follow me? Don't ask me when lastly I posted. Just go and follow me. The reason why I'm telling you guys to go and follow me on Instagram is for those who want to go to Jamaica with me so that we can plan. Also, another thing is that I need followers on those on that account. So if you follow me there, we get to 1,000 followers. I'll be posting my pictures and some videos. Oh, so yesterday you saw my Instagram account. Yes. Lastly I posted, I don't know, it's 2 years ago or 3 years ago. But from next month it's my birthday. Next month is my birthday, so I will keep on posting now. From then after my birthday, I'll now be posting videos. And my pictures too, my nice pictures. My recent pictures. Just go and follow me there, okay? Yes. Yes. Woo, so guys, without any further ado, we are 18. Woo, let's confirm if you have liked, you have subscribed. Let's us call it a day. Those who are going to sleep, have a good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from where you're watching me from. I just appreciate your love and your support. Where will you be celebrating your birthday? Where you will tell me. No, let's not talk about my birthday. Let's talk about Valentine. You guys as my husbands, what plans do you have for me? What plans do you have for me? You as my husbands, what plans do you have for Claudia Works? Yes, you post on a yearly basis. One photo will take 1 year. Can you stop? Ashok, please. Can you stop? Can you stop? I said that from next month I'll be posting video. Oh, not video, my pictures. I'll be updating you. I'll putting reels. I'll putting a lot of things, but don't just follow me there. My plan for your Valentine failed. Okay. Okay. Anyway, guys, can we go to sleep? Guys, can we go to sleep right now? Because some people are working tomorrow, and I know you normally enjoy this live, I know you always enjoy my live, but honestly, it's getting too late for me also and for you because it's 10:22. And today I was planning to go to bed at 10 that. And you can see it's 8 minutes to 8:30. Though me, I don't struggle with getting sleep. Once I sleep like this, 5 minutes, I'm in another world. So guys, can we call it a day? So guys, have a good night, have a good afternoon, have a good evening, have a good morning. Just know that I love your support. I just appreciate everything you normally do to Claudia Works. So guys, bye for now. Bye for now. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, my loves. Good night. Bye. Guys, let's go to sleep. I'm finalizing on something in the next 5 minutes and then we go to sleep. Okay, good night too. Bye. Bye too. Thank you. Subscribe also. I can see we are 20. Ooh, people are joining. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Have a good night. Have a good night. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys, as you go to sleep. But the girls from campus are beautiful. You are a fan of. Yes, we are so beautiful. We are blessed, and we thank God. I'm doing something. Lakini wasema kama ni warembo, we unafanana na sawa. We are so beautiful, guys. Bye for now. Have a good night. See you tomorrow, same time. Guys, see you tomorrow, same time.